everybody. Decided to try and get the run video done today. The weather's holding up and not holding up. It's literally just starting to rain, so the first part of my video will be filmed with my mirrorless camera. The second video will be with the GoPro. You guys will be able to see kind of what I've been talking about with the GoPro just not holding up, but it's waterproof. I can keep filming for you guys, so that's really all that matters. But we're out testing the new Ford body, seeing how it is on the trail. There's the GoPro, and yeah, maybe I'll do a quick GoPro. Ooh. And there is the truck, and there's Ruby's butt. So yeah, hope you guys are having a good week, and thanks for being patient. And I'm still trying to think of what to do for the 500 subscriber giveaway. No, it will not be a truck. Be a different, higher amount of subscribers. But trying to think of something cool. So stick with me. Have a good weekend, guys. Peace out. Later. Sayonara. Au revoir.